When Dishy is first installed, it has to figure out where it is and where the satellites are. A few minutes after it's powered on, it will tilt to look up at the sky, as it's doing now. It's looking straight up at first. Once it finds a satellite, it's going to use that satellite to figure out its position. Once it knows its position, it downloads a schedule of satellites from the one satellite that it's seen, and then positions itself, as you see it starting to do now, so that its dish is across the sector of the sky where the satellites are most likely to pass. Right now it's not there. It's going to move itself. It's looking straight up still. It doesn't move all the time. Once it's found the right position, then the motor stops working, the dish is stationary, but it tracks satellites electronically. So think of an electronic beam that goes one way or another from the surface of the dish. It's still a little too high. There it is, orienting itself to the northwest, exactly where it would expect to see satellites from where I am in central Vermont. It's looking probably about 60 degrees above the horizon. At this point, Starlink's Dishy is able to function, and that's almost all you have to do. It installs itself.